These leaves were organic. Yeah, welcome back to Kitchen for Healthy Living. Guava leaf is also good for the hair and for the skin. So now, look at it here. We're talking about this. So for the hair, you can use it for hair mask. When you get it like this, after washing, then you put in your blender. This is my blender. You put in your blender and you blend. So after blending, you can use it in different ways for the hair, for hair growth and the hair shine, and it helps. Are you getting me, to restore hair loss? So the way to use it for the hair, you can use as a mask, you can use as a tonic. Okay, for the mask, you blend. After crushing it properly, it becomes a paste. Then when it becomes paste now, then you can look for olive oil. Olive oil is very good for hair. It's very good for the scalp. It moisturizes the scalp and then restore hair loss. It's also good for hair follicles. So what you will do after crushing, it becomes paste. It becomes paste. Then you can now mix your olive oil or coconut oil. Yeah, these carriers are very, very good oil. You can use any of this essential oil. Then you mask the hair, you put it on the hair, cover it with shower cap. If you want to sleep over good, it's herbal, it's natural. It doesn't have any kind of intoxicating chemicals in it. Very natural. Or if you apply it in the morning, you can wash after hours, maybe when you are doing your house chore, the thing is getting set, working on you, then you can remove. If you want to use it as a hair tonic, you boil. Like the way I've told you to make like tea, you boil. Then after boiling, you can now mix any oil you love. Jojoba oil is very good for hair. Then if you have something like bacteria on the hair, I call it dandruff, then you can use peppermint oil because it has some content of camphor or menthol in it. It handles dandruff very well. So try guava and you will just comment and thank me. Thank you so much. Please keep subscribing. I told you we got a lot to learn from this platform. We got a lot to learn. Subscribe. I need questions. I need your comments. Connect people. And as they're connecting people to this platform, the Lord will keep connecting you to people that matters. Thank you so much.